Ooh. Uh-oh. Ta-da! Hello, artist friends! Join me on a texturing adventure as we color page 4 of Fantasy Coloring Book number 1. This book is intended to be colored any way you want. While I made design choices in creating the book, they are not necessarily the right way to color the pages or characters. I am sharing this concept image to demonstrate that what I am doing today is completely different from any intent I might have had towards the character during that initial design process, as the Dwarf Ranger was meant to be wearing a mix of cloth and suede leather with fur-trimmed boots. Instead, we're going to alter her clothing to be a mixture of cured leather, scales, chainmail, and fur. Furthermore, I will be incorporating various textures and effects throughout the image to make it very unique. Today's video is essentially just me playing around with coloring, but I do have a colored pencil texturing tutorial if that is what you're looking for. Click the card above if you want to go there instead. The color cards in this video relate to the Castle Art 72 colored pencil set that I am using. If you're using a different set and want to color along, just pick whatever colors you have that are similar. We begin our journey by coloring the sky with a magical blast. What mysterious entity could be lurking over the horizon to unleash such power? The clouds have a radiant purple glow, as if something had ignited their gases in a colorful display. We plunge downward from the heavens to immerse ourselves in the vibrant hues of the ocean. The mix of greens and blues creates a mesmerizing calm seascape that belies the adventure ahead. Will we dare venture into the distant mountains where the air is crisp and pure? We use shades of gray, blue, and white to depict the snow-capped peaks, adding a touch of majesty to the landscape. Can you feel the warmth of the sandy beach? We should be landing there soon. Light browns and yellows create a sun-kissed shore, inviting you to explore the secrets hidden beneath the sand. Next, we will wander to the docks where the mysteries of the sea unfold. Blend browns and black to color the sturdy, water-soaked structures that stand tirelessly against the waves. Just beyond the docks, a village lies. Imagine the bustling activity and stories that might unfold within this magical community. We use a mix of browns and blacks to bring the quaint buildings to life. Coming back to the ship, we'll add a touch of strange fantasy with metallic cable textures on the rigging lines. The ship's rigging is colored with a rich bronze metallic texture. Imagine the story behind these unusual and essential components that ensure a safe voyage through fantastical waters. Transform the ship's sail with the shine of a luxurious blue silk texture. Picture the wind whipping the fabric as the vessel glides through the sea, propelled by the forces of nature. Next, we will turn our attention to the brave Dwarf Ranger, creating an aura of mystery as we color her leather boots and gloves in black, blue, and gray. Imagine the countless adventures this rugged gear might have withstood. Explore the intricacies of her scaled armor, envisioning the mythical beast from which this fine material might have originated. A chainmail shirt adds a layer of protection, while the fur vest and boots ensure warm traveling while providing evidence of her hunting prowess. The Ranger's bow has a magical, mesmerizing green glow. Consider the extraordinary adventures that led to the discovery of such a mystical weapon. Finally, we will bring the Dwarf Ranger to life with sun-brown skin and deep, violet-red hair. Accentuate her connection to the magic of this realm with a purple falcon, symbolizing the extraordinary bond between Ranger and nature. We have breathed unexpected life into this coloring page through the power of textures. What alternate stories might you craft with your own texturing and coloring skills? Thanks for watching these colored pencil tutorials and coloring videos. This video marks the end of my planned colored pencil videos, but if you have a request for a colored pencil tutorial I have not yet covered, let me know in the comments below. Next, we will be moving into coloring with markers, and I have a few sets that will be featured along with their capabilities, so I hope to see you there. Bye for now, and happy coloring! Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Embark on a coloring journey like never before with Fantasy Coloring Book Number 1, A Coloring Adventure. Immerse yourself in the magical world of 32 intricately designed pages, each a masterpiece waiting for your personal touch. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just discovering the joy of coloring, Fantasy Coloring Book Number 1 is the perfect canvas for your creativity. Let your imagination soar as you add your personal flair to these enchanting illustrations. Order yours today and unlock the door to a world of fantasy, one page at a time. Discover a world where art comes alive at ericperkinsart.etsy.com, your destination for original art, digital downloads, and more. Dive into a gallery filled with the imagination and talent of artist Eric Perkins. From breathtaking originals to digital downloads that spark creativity, there's something for every fantasy art lover. If you're looking for instant inspiration, our digital downloads are just a click away. Elevate your projects with high-quality downloadable art that reflects your style and vision. Visit ericperkinsart.etsy.com today. Join me on Patreon, where you will gain access to full-size, high-resolution image downloads, a special look behind the scenes of my projects, regular updates, monthly fantasy coloring pages, and more. Patreon.com/ericperkinsartist.